this video is to encourage you guys to create face masks and to update you with OT school. So what happened was, Mabuhay, this is Jenny with an H. My brother and my man friend. So hi guys. It's been a while. And I just want to give you guys an update. This is not a how to make a face mask video because there's already a bunch out there. But I'm going to point out the ones that I love and my favorite. This video is to encourage you guys to create face masks and to update you with OT schools. What happened was, we just finished our winter quarter about a week ago, and almost over a week. We had a week break, spring break, winter to spring break. Our finals, we were gonna do it in person, but then it was really hard to study because everything happened on that weekend. That's my brother in the back. The weekend when all of these are happening, when US started to get updates and new cases, was during our weekend before finals. So here we were trying to study for finals, but then our families are back home, scrambling for, good thing my siblings were there, scrambling for supplies to make sure that my parents don't go out because they're over 60 and they are vulnerable people. We were like waiting for updates from our deans and president from school until our written finals ended up being online. They let us know about 2 days or 3 days before our final exam, except for one final. We had an oral group final for our class. It was really interesting, but I couldn't study properly because you're anxious, and I actually quarantined myself in the room the whole weekend. That weekend I didn't go out because to make sure I'm healthy for the final exam. But I know this thing, the coronavirus or COVID-19, has brought disruptions to all of us, and my heart goes out to everyone who are affected, family members, healthcare workers, essential workers. Thank you for your service. We're gonna try our best and do our part in staying safe. There's a guy like taking a video of me for recording. I don't know, maybe I'll look funny. But anyways, I haven't been uploading videos because OT school, I actually recorded a lot already. It's like a year worth of videos, but I've never edited them. Priorities. I know you're probably tired of hearing it in my stories on Instagram, but this one is important because I know I only have a few followers, subscribers out there, but as prospective OT students or PT students or grad school students right now, most of my friends out there watching this video or following my channel are in the process of either taking the prerequisites or applying for schools, or you're not in OT school yet, or even if you do, and we are all online now, and you have some time and you have a sewing machine at home or your mom's sewing machine, I encourage you guys to create face masks. This is not the ideal one that I would suggest because the lace, this is my experimental one. This is a ribbon lace. This is okay if you're not moving around, but as a healthcare practitioner, they need something that is durable and that can stay still on their face. So this is a video to encourage you guys to create one. I know it's not easy. I'm going to include some resources on my journey or my process on how I learned how to create face masks. I have not used sewing machine ever, but I know we had one at home, so I asked my mom if she could teach me. She's like, okay, yeah, take out the sewing machine. I actually took out the sewing machine already. I put it on my table already, and then I just asked her to show me how to use it. So she tried, but she got frustrated, I guess, and then she said, just look at the manual and read the manual. And knowing me, I don't really read the manual. So, and I go to YouTube. So step by step, here's the process of how I learned how to create a face mask. I'm not going to show you how to do it, but I'm going to give you the resources on what helped me to do it. So first one is learn how to set up your sewing machine. Sewing machine. Mine is Brother. The brand is Brother. So I'm going to include a link down below on how to set it up. It was a 20-minute video. But if you're in quarantine, you have a lot of time. Instead of binge watching, I've been dying to watch my Korean dramas, but I actually had fun creating face masks. I look forward to creating them. It's like my new succulent hobby. So step one is how to set up your sewing machine. I'm going to include a link down below as number one, how to set it up. Number two is how to create a face mask. So I've watched a ton of videos out there for the past 2, 3, 4 days on how to create them, and some worked well for me and my family. Some I personally like the ones that the Japanese looking ones that has a higher bridge and then that goes down here. However, size wise, I don't think it is good for mass producing because it takes more fabric and time to cut each of the pattern. Brother, because instead of cutting a square, it cuts certain shapes and that leaves a lot of scraps. And at this moment, I'm trying to save as much resources that I can. So I'm going to include a link to Joann's. Actually, I got this one from Joann's. If you are a organization or a company that sews clothes, they actually donate fabrics. But I'm a single individual. I'm not sure if they're gonna still donate stuff to me. So I ended up buying all the fabric and equipment. I bought about 35 yards worth of fabric and then 40 yards worth of elastic bands. But then at this point, I actually prefer the ones that are tied in the back, because even though I create small, medium, large sizes, I'm not sure if they're gonna fit the workers, and there's no time, or it's gonna be risky for them to try it on individually. So I recommend the ones that you can tie strings on the side. Let me know if you guys want me to create my own how to create a face mask. So I followed the guidelines from Joann's and just created the accordion rectangle looking ones. The only difference from mine was, so since I have 2 cotton layers, I don't have a non-woven fabric in the back, but I just have 2 regular cotton, 100% cotton layers. And then I put a hole in the bottom. It's hard to show. I'm gonna show you in pictures. A hole in the bottom.
2,000 years later.
So I just ran out of memory, and well, this is my brother's phone, so we just ran out of memory. I have to ask him. But anyways, okay, so mine has the bottom hole, so you can put filter. It is Friday right now, and I ordered AC air filter, vacuum filter, and that I could cut off, and I'm going to add them before I give it to my friends that need them. So right now I had a request of 1,000 face masks for a hospital or a medical campus down in OC, but we'll see how much I can make. And I also had about 5 to 10 dozens orders or requests for some here in LA. And yeah, so number 1, how to set up your sewing machine. Number 2, how to create the face mask. So all those links are going to be added down in the description below. And then the only difference once again is the strings, because on the video it showed you elastic bands, but I tried to wear the mask. Well, I mean, I used to wear them before when I used to study CNA. But then now I remember why it hurts. So it hurts a lot over here if you wear those elastic bands for the whole day. And imagine these healthcare practitioners and people, essential workers working out there, and they're wearing their face masks the whole day. It hurts. And I've actually seen some memes and some photos of nurses that wears headbands and had a button here to put their face mask on or elastic bands on. But it's gonna take a lot of work, and this is about all efficiency right now. So yeah, just those two. If you want me to show you a video of how I actually create my face masks, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try to make one a few days from now. But those are just the two: how to set up, how to create a face mask. And contact your hospitals, or if you have nursing friends, they're not gonna say no to you offering them to give face masks, or even the stores out in your neighborhood. A lot of the stores, I went to Daiso earlier to grab some bags, and their workers are saying that they don't even have some for them, and they used to sell face masks before. So I might make a few dozens for the stores around the area and the post office. So yeah, call your community and see who needs help. I know you guys can do it. We're all in this together, and stay safe and healthy. You and your family, we're praying for all of you. We're praying for all of us all around the world. Yeah, feel free to reach out, leave a comment down below. Reach out to me on Instagram too. So right now I still have my account, Jenny_Berry, JHENNY_BERRY as my Instagram account, but I'm actually planning to create a new one related to OT only. So let me know. I don't know what account name I'm gonna use, so if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment down below too. So thank you so much, guys. I know I look horrible. I haven't done my eyebrows since I don't usually do it all often, but yeah, and that's the reason why I haven't been recording videos too, because I always study and I don't have time to do my hair, my makeup, and go natural. But I encourage you guys to help your community if you have skills and have time to learn new skills, and at this moment creating face masks. Please do so to help. Yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to share it with your families and friends so they can learn how to set up a sewing machine, and learn how to create a face mask. But if you do want me to create a video of how I create my face masks, let me know in the comments down below too. Please stay safe and healthy. Stay at home. We're at the park right now, but we're like more than 10 feet apart, and even that guy, my man friend, he doesn't give me a hug anymore. I have to like wear my mask in front of him because he said, "Oh, I may have it." But never too safe. So just stay safe, everyone, and healthy. God bless you guys and all of us. Praying for the ones who are affected by this crisis, and families and friends, and for everyone all around the world. We can do this, and we're gonna get through this together. Okay, so like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to stay updated in my or our OT journey. Don't forget to wash your hands, don't touch your face, and 6 feet apart, and stay safe, everyone, and healthy. Salamat.